Today we're memorizing Philippians 4:13. We're also going to talk about ways different people misunderstand what this text means. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus.
This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. Philippians 4:13. I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Some people take this verse to mean that they can be like Superman. I can do anything and God will strengthen me. Woo! Anything like Superman. Well, we got to remember things like what Jesus said in the temptations of Jesus. Do you remember how that worked? In one of those temptations, then the devil took him to the holy city and had him stand on the highest point of the temple. If you are the Son of God, he said, throw yourself down, for it is written, he will command his angels concerning you, and they will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. Sounds like Superman, huh? Well, look what Jesus said. Jesus answered, it is also written, do not put the Lord your God to the test. See, the key is we have to look at the context, what comes before and after Philippians 4:13 to understand what it says and what it means. So here's what the verses before it say, picking up in the middle of verse 11. I have learned to be content whatever the circumstances. I know what it is to be in need, to not have money and food and things like that. And I know what it is to have plenty of money and food and things like that. I have learned the secret of being content in any and every situation, whether well-fed or hungry, whether living in plenty or in want. I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Content means to be satisfied and pleased, to be able to say it is enough no matter what our circumstances because of Christ. Because of Christ, we can say it is enough whether other people might say so or not, whether we have a lot of food or not a lot of food, a lot of money or not a lot of money. It doesn't matter. We can be content because of Christ. Not just that, but we can be content, confident, and strong because of Christ. God gives us everything we need to live for him. That is why we can say, I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13.
Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.